Byron here. What I have for you guys today is something crazy. I got my hands on this $200 face mask. It is called the Philips Blaise Fresh Air Mask. It's actually around 11,000 here in the Philippines. They say it may be the best face mask around, so let's check it out. This is a crazy price for a face mask. I personally just use the normal surgical face mask because I find it so easy to use and I don't really go out as much, but for those who go out on an everyday basis, you might want to check this out. Regardless, the situation here in the Philippines is actually getting worse and worse, and tech is being integrated into these masks to make it easier. Either ways, who wouldn't want to see an unboxing of a really expensive face mask? Sometimes I just get so curious as to why some of the most simple of stuff can get so expensive. If I'm not mistaken, it's not as easy to get this face mask because it's not really sold anywhere. Luckily enough, I got to buy this off here in the Philippines. Link down below. Before we start the unboxing, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. A lot of more tech reviews are coming your way. Now let's run through the box. We have our hands on another product with premium packaging. So we got Philips Fresh Air Mask here in the front, the Philips branding. Right below, we get a subtext that says "Every breath matters." That's a minimalistic branding by Philips. So over here in the back, it's actually just the Chinese version and nothing much on the sides. We do see some waves, which really gives off a nice design in my opinion. It feels weird though, because it feels like I'm unboxing an Apple product since this thing is so expensive. Alright, so let's unbox this. So we have the mask right here. Let's get this mask out to show you guys what else is inside this box. We have a N95 filter. And we have this USB cable. So this is an odd thing to put on a face mask. So I'm assuming that we're gonna have to constantly charge this face mask. But that's it for the box. Let's clean up and let me show you guys how this works. Okay, now we have the mask here. So what we have here is the fan. So it is connected to this magnetic thing over here, which explains the charging cable we saw earlier. And it adds to the list of the things that we need to charge because we are in the new normal. Hey. Before we do a test, if you haven't tried an N95 mask yet, it's actually really hard to breathe inside of one. Yes, it's absolutely really safe, but it's really uncomfortable in the long run. If I'm on the right page, this mask is supposed to help out with that. Let's put this thing on, but first, let's get the refill. So this is the filter. So that was easy to attach. It was like similar to attaching the left and right portion to our earphones because there was actually an L and R on the filter over here. Let's wear this and switch it on. Alright, I got a face mask on. Let's switch this thing on as well. I'm making my voice extra loud so that you guys can hear me. Oh wow, this thing is cool. I feel like I'm freaking Iron Man. Wow, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's this fan thing that's really noisy. Is this thing glowing? I heard that the second level is actually for when you're walking fast or stuff like that. So I'm gonna head over to the second level. See what this thing can do. Wow, level 2, there's a bunch of air going inside already. Usually N95 is a mask that's really secure, so it tends to get hot inside, but this one is the complete opposite. Okay, so level 3, I remember reading that the third level is for extreme activities. And so let's check over the setting number 3 to check out what this looks like. Oh, okay. I can actually feel the air going out already at some parts. And man, this thing is blazing. I love it. Let's get this thing off so that I can give you guys a better review and talk to you guys better. Just like that, you can't hear the fan anymore. So this actually shows how technology is really the driving force right now. It is always trying to find ways to make it easier. It might be a good investment if we do not get a vaccine anytime soon and you are required to work. This is because not everyone is working from home. A lot of us are actually working on site. I wanted to keep this video short, so if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. I promise I will reply. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Again, this is Byron, and I'll catch you on the next one.